We are making eggless cake right now. So eggless sponge cake that we are making this is a premix recipe. I just wanted to demonstrate it because it's really super simple. That's what a premix is all about. Making it simplifying the product for you. You also get an egg-based premix recipe. You also get an eggless premix recipe. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to do it, so you can start doing it yourself as well. So in case you cannot afford to give in time and use the Genoise method of doing the sponge, or you do not want to put in the time to do the other methods of cake making, you can always just simply opt for a premix. The premix that I am using here is a Pillsbury premix. You can also use a Pristine, you can also use a Davers, you can also use any other brand. It entirely depends on you and your purpose of it. Just mix it up a little bit to break down lumps if any. Now classic premixes are combinations of flour, milk powder or whey protein. It will have sugar, it will have some flavorings, it will have cocoa powder in case of chocolate, and it will have vanillin powder in case of vanilla. So it is generally a combination of that with some preservatives added to it. So this is not preservative free unless it's written on the packet. But here the main issue is that this particular product is so simple to do, and since there are preservative added, the sponge also gets a slightly better shelf life. It's very good for commercial production. Doing at home, you can avoid it. Simply add in the water. All the water at one time. Using the whisk, only just mix it up. You start slow. Start fast, everything is going to just fly out. You start slow, and once everything mixes up, you increase the pace. You get a nice smell of cocoa as well. Basically what you're trying to do is you're trying to there's one, let's go up. So mix it up till it's lump free, till you don't get any lumps, it's nice and smooth flowing like this. At this stage you can add in the oil. Some chefs prefer to add melted butter or melted oil, or rather just oil. Mix this up. This is not going to take too much time. Slightly mixed up like this. Done. So these eggless sponges, they work on a heavy batter method, or very similar to your devil's food cake kind of a batter. So it's going to be more on the heavier side. Mixing is done. Use your spatula. You're going to pour everything in this. Now you see, if you notice, this has already got a paper liner at the bottom and has got margin on the sides. So it's very important to grease this and to paper line it like that. So once you've added everything in, you notice you just need to tap the mold out, so it gets nice and flat. Now we're going to be baking this in the oven. So this is your eggless sponge. You notice that even though I baked it at 180, it still has got a mount, because there's that much amount of baking powder in this. There's a lot of leavening agents in this. That's the reason you have a nice top like that. We don't really require this top for the product that we're going to make, so we're going to cut this top off, and the top that can then be reserved in the fridge to make cake pops and stuff like that. So just overturn this again.